Hi, welcome to Nourished Mind. I'm Shiku. So, I found an article that came out around 3 days ago, and it was talking about how vitamin D supplements may help protect against COVID-19. I'll link you the short article down below. I'll also link my vitamins and minerals supplement video. I really want to focus on this article that I found and talk about what this means for protection against COVID-19. So I won't be going into too much depth about vitamin D deficiency, but if you want to know more about that, I can totally make a separate video, a part 2. So just comment down below if that's what you want to watch. As a nutritionist, I want to advise you on how many vitamin D supplements you can take. So watch till the end of the video to find out. Right this very moment, scientists from Queen Mary University in London are searching for people to start a trial on whether vitamin D supplements can give immunity against COVID-19. A higher than regular dose of vitamin D supplement will be given to volunteers for 6 months. Volunteers who are vitamin D deficient will have to take the vitamin D every single day. So now you may be like, well, Shiku, how does vitamin D help protect against COVID-19? Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to vulnerability to infections because of decreased lung function, as well as immune-related disorders such as tuberculosis, asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and viral and bacterial infections. If you're elderly, overweight, or have dark skin complexion like me, then you're more vulnerable to vitamin D deficiency, as well as getting really sick with COVID-19. As a nutritionist, I would recommend you get the vitamin D3 supplements in 1000 IU strength and take around 1 to 3 tablets each day, depending on whether you see the sun a lot or not, and also if you fall into the vulnerable vitamin D deficiency categories that I mentioned before. I personally take around 3 tablets each day, and that's because I have darker skin complexion and I know that I don't get out in the sun much. If you really want to find out the right dose for you, then I recommend you go get a blood test done, because having too much vitamin D can be dangerous in the long term. If you're not really into taking vitamin D supplements, but you want some food sources of vitamin D, then here are some food sources. Salmon, egg yolk, sardines, shrimp, fortified milk, fortified orange juice, fortified cereal, and fortified yogurt. Another natural and free option is getting out into the sun and absorbing the sun's light for approximately 15 minutes each day. Combining vitamin D supplements as well as some sunshine actually activates the vitamin D supplements in your body. So thank you for joining me on Nourished Mind today. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and check out the links that I've posted down below in the description box. So I'll see you next time on Nourished Mind.